Hello friends, welcome to knowledgeola.com. So today I'm going to explain the folder structure of a EJB server for IBM Cúram product. So under EJB server, we are developing our backend code. Okay. So there are some set of folders are there and we are going to place some set of files. So under the custom folder, so I'm just going to components and server, and under the custom folder we have some set of folders. So today I'm going to explain what type of file or what type of files we are storing in their respective folders. So if you are checking in the first folder here, so I'm going to talk about the first folder, access. So what is the meaning of access folder here? Why these access folders are available here, and what type of file we are storing in this access folder? So access folder is created to store all files are related to web services. So as everyone is knowing, IBM Cúram is supporting inbound and outbound web services. Okay, that is based on access. So that's the file related to access 2.0, I believe, is coming here in this, and this is the configuration file where you are configuring all your outbound access. So I'm not going in detail because the motive of this tutorial is to explain all the folder structure. So if you go here in the second folder, is client apps. Client app folder is created to store all nav, tabs, section file, ssp files, application configuration related files. So all application configuration related files will come here and store in this particular place. So those files can be tab file, navigation file, section file, and shortcut section files, and you can say app file and properties, their respective properties. So all those files will come here inside this client apps. Code tables, as name indicates, this folder is going to store all code tables related files. So code table which used in our application as a drop down values, checkbox, radio buttons, and all those kind of things. So that those files are coming here. Creole rule sets, as folder name itself is giving information, all rule set related informations we are going to store here in this particular folder. Data is nothing but your initial data, static data. So initial data, so whatever initial data are required to build the application, IBM Cúram application. So all those kind of things will come here under the initial. We have, along with that, we have handcrafted scripts, we have a cloth folder, we have flop folder. You can see here there is a lot of IEG script, dynamic evidence related files are also being stored here in this data folder. So basically data folder is going to store all your demo data, your initial data related to table, some static data basically, which is going to help IBM Cúram application to up and running. And evidence related informations, IEG related informations will also store in this folder. Events. So I'm going to talk about events folder. Events folder is going to have the events which you are going to implement in your application. Those files will come here. The extension of those files are EVX. So events related file come inside the event folder. Message. So all messages whatever we are using in our Cúram application, that can be informational messages, error message, any sort of messages which we are going to explain here, that will come in this particular folder that is called message. Model. So all modeling, basically RSA modeling. So you people must be aware IBM Cúram is using RSA to do the modeling, and it is generating a lot of code. Okay, so those kind of modeling like entity modeling, entity related modeling, process class related modeling, facade class related modeling, structure related modeling, all those things will come inside this folder that is called as a model. Okay, now properties. So why we created this folder, properties? So if you see here, these properties files are very generic, and it is being used as a common. So application.prx, if any properties are here which can change over the time, or you want to use that property along the application, so that kind of properties you can insert here in this application.prx. And there is one table is there in a Cúram table, that is properties table, I believe. Yeah, data is going inside that. Okay, so these are generic properties which we are putting here, and that is custom basically. Rule sets, all yeah, so see here, custom metadata related things will come here inside the rule sets folder. Now I'm going to source. As you know, source, all your handcrafted code or implementation logic, everything will come here inside this. Whatever Java code or any other dependent source code you are going to write, that will come inside the source folder. Test, obviously, as the name indicates. So whatever source code you are going to implement for IBM Cúram application, you are also supposed to write some sort of test cases, JUnit test cases or JMocket test cases, to test the backend code. Okay, so that kind of code related to test cases, JUnit or JMocket test cases, will come inside this test folder. Workflows, this is an interesting folder. So all workflow related things will come here in this folder, workflow folder. So I think I'm done with this tutorial. Hope you understand the folder naming convention and what type of file we are storing in their respective folder. Hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and other Chrome developer, and let me know your suggestions or any topic for which you want video. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.